Number 17 is a little bit tricky. At first, it might seem as if it's a diction or wordiness problem, especially because of that letter choice D with the delete, but rather it's actually a punctuation problem in disguise. So let's go ahead and see why that's the case. So, according to Box, a leading Greenland expert, tundra fires in 2012 from as far away as North America produced great amounts of soot. And this comment right here is going to be really what we focus on. Some of it drifted over Greenland in giant plumes of smoke and then fell as particles onto the ice sheet. So right away, the sentence already seems very, very long and wordy. So it almost seems natural to stop and make a new sentence there and put a period right where that comma is. However, that's not part of the underlined section, so we can't change that comma to a period. So the problem here is there's two independent clauses right at this break. So there's an independent clause before and an independent clause after. And since we can't change that comma, we have to make the second one a dependent clause. So what we have to do there is actually go with C, some of which, because that completes the prepositional phrase and it continues to make it a dependent clause because now there's no subject. If you go ahead and leave it as some of it becomes the subject. If you replace it with soot, then soot will be the subject. And then if you delete it entirely, some would be the subject. So we don't want any of those answer choices. We're going to go ahead and pick letter choice C.